Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can play your USB on your TCL Smart TV. So if you have a pen drive or a USB and if you want to play movies or if you want to play content or install apps on your TCL Smart TV, you can simply connect your USB on the port which is present on the right side of your TCL Smart TV. So I'm going to connect it now. So as soon as you connect your USB device, TCL is going to prompt you this dialog box which will say, would you like to open it now? So I'm going to cancel this one because I have installed the CX File Explorer. I'm going to click OK to open it. And then I can simply open from my CX file. And this is my USB TV shows. It is showing up right here. I can open it from right here. And then I can install any APKs or I can watch any movie or any video that I want, right, which I have put it inside of it. So I can click on any video and then I can click play. So one thing to keep in mind is that your USB should be in the format of FAT32. Otherwise your TCL Smart TV will not pick it up. So I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.